There we go. Okay. So let me welcome everyone. Let's start with Carl, who is first as usual, then Andy and Doug and Susan. Hi to all of you. I keep a running list of tutorial topics that I might want to cover in the future, and I seem to add like 6 of those every month, which, since I do 4 tutorials a month, you can see how I've got a longer list. So let's head back over here and let me tell you what I ran into. What if you want to do one more screen than your computer supports? Well, one of these. What if you want to do 2 more screens than your computer supports? 2 of these. I don't know if it'll do 3 though. And at that point, the money starts, because they're $115 each, and you need a Thunderbolt cable. So at 3, you're talking $345. I think that the DeckLink Duo card is about $400. Now you do need the Thunderbolt enclosure, which I think is about $250. So it is like $600, but at that point, the DeckLink Duo might be a good choice for you. So, just thinking through that, and yeah. So, let's see here. Looks like Chris has a question. Another stage screen question. If there's time, what's the best way to add a stage direction notation to a particular slide so it only shows on that one slide on the stage screen? And by the way, I mentioned it before. Someone said in the group, oh, easy view mode just isn't helpful to me whatsoever. Well, I said that's because you need to click here. When you do that, you can change the font and the size of the font, along with the alignment, where it truncates. In this case, I usually like it to truncate in the middle, so if it's too big for the text here, for the slide, let's do that. Then the overflow will be cut off in the middle so that I can see the beginning of the slide and the end of the slide. Kevin says, when we're in a rush to add a stage note, we'll just add a text box and make it opaque. That'll do it. It will still show on the stage screen, just not on front. So when you say opaque, you mean like transparent, actually, because opaque means you can't see through it. But transparent means you can see through it. So whatever. Yeah, that's another fun way to do it. Anyway, thoroughly enjoyed it as always. I'll get this uploaded and we'll hopefully get it taken care of. Oh, one thing that I did want to say before I let you go. My flight arrives Tuesday next week. I'm flying, I've got a thing in Waco on Saturday, and then one in Athens, Texas. I think it's Athens. It's either Athens or Paris. I think it's Athens, near Tyler. Not to be confused with Taylor. And that is on Monday, so I'm flying back on Tuesday. If I get caught up or something, you know how flights can be sometimes, I will let everyone know if there's a delay or anything. Okay? Thoroughly enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye.